We just wanted to welcome everybody here. Thank you guys for coming. I don't think we invited anybody from Bowling Green. Everybody came far. We've been dreaming about this day for a long, long time independently, and then now like 2 years together. We're so thankful you're here, and we're gonna stop talking now.
I want everyone and all of us to take a moment and just feel this moment. The older I get, the more I believe this is true. There is a loving mystery at the heart of the universe, just yearning to be expressed. And here we are sitting in the heart of that mystery right now. The swirling mystery of Christ, the mystical body, the mystery of love. So drink it in. Enjoy it.
All right, you guys, what a surreal moment. I think we've all been waiting for this day, have we not? And this is the easiest speech ever to give because there are endless things to say about Ashley and Ryan. But this is also the hardest speech ever to give because there are endless things to say about these two.
If you hold on, I will hold on to you. Let the tall pine swing, let the years pass through.
Goodness. You're gonna have me cry.
For most people, one best man is enough, but with Ryan, double the supervision is required. When Ryan moved from San Diego to Nashville, I was bummed to lose my partner in adventure. So I went ahead and married his sister. Ashley, you are going to have your hands full, but it will be an incredible journey.
Wow, look how long this is.
No.
Wow.
See, I wanted to look like Stevie Nicks, so I got some sleeves.
I love it.
Let the tall pine swing, let the years pass through. Yeah, if you hold on to me, I will hold on to you. Oh, let the tall pine swing, let the years pass
For years, I've listened to the Bobby Darin song, Dream Lover. I remember many nights where I sang along with that song and pined for a dream lover to call my own. Ashley, I'm blessed and thrilled that God saw fit to bring us together. You're more than I ever dreamed, and now I just hope nobody wakes me up.
Ryan, you are the exact man that all these wonderful people and these people prayed for, hoped for, and believed in for me. You are my safe place and my home. You steady me and make me a better person. I'll be forever grateful to God for bringing me such a good man. And I will forever feel like the luckiest girl in the world.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Well, now that Ryan and Ashley have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, I pronounce that they are husband and wife together. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, you may kiss the bride.
Let the music inside, baby, it's alright. Lose yourself to the groove, time to make your move. Let the music inside, you can dance all night. There's not a cloud in sight, so go away now. Go away now.
Ashley and Ryan, you're the most intentional, fun, and spontaneous couple I know, and I can't wait to make many more years of memories with both of you. Let's cheers to this beautiful, fun couple and their love for each other. We love you guys so much. Here's to Ryan and Ashley and a lifetime of love.
Let the music inside. Maybe it's alright. Lose yourself to the groove. Time to make your move. Let the music inside. You can dance all night. It's not a cloud inside. So float away now.
The best place to be is here. The best time to be is now. And with all that being said, you two, be excellent to each other.